Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay, and for today's video it's going to be a little different than the other ones. I went through my makeup collection and realized I had so much products that I have not used, like I bought and just pushed to the side. So I came up with this little challenge for myself. I took note of every product that I own and put them into different categories in little cute little cups like this, labeled them, and we're going to do like a little a random selection of makeup products for what we're going to use for our face today. You can skip through the intro, it's going to be a little lengthy as I explain what we're going to be doing, but yeah, hopefully you enjoy it, hopefully it makes sense. Let me know what you think. I don't know what I'm going to call this video, to be honest, but we'll figure it out. So how this is going to work, I have put each of my products in different categories like foundation, setting powders, blushes, and so on and so forth. First off, we're going to pick a number from 1 to 8, and that will determine how many products I need to use for my look for today. After we pick out a number, we're going to go into the makeup jar, and that is also going to tell us which products we're going to use. So we have stuff like foundation, whether we're going to use a concealer, do I get to pick out my own eyeshadow? We're going to determine that. After going into there, if we pick out foundations, I will go into my foundation cup and pick out which foundation I will be using for this video. In the case that we pick out eyeshadow looks, I will have to go into my eye look cup, pick out which eye look I'm going to be doing, which can range from a graphic liner, a smoky, a bold look, something neutral, or I can pick out my own looks. Hope it was explained well. Well, once we get a few videos going, hopefully it'll make more sense. But yeah, it's gonna be super fun. I'm excited. It's gonna be real interesting and a great way to see what products work with what, you know, enhance our makeup skills a little bit more, and just to take advantage of what we currently own and not having to buy every time a new product drops. I'm excited. Let's jump right into this video finally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for beauty and styling videos every week, and let's jump right into it. Great, let's go into the number jar and see how much product we got to choose from. Oh my gosh. 8. We gotta pick 8 different products. We're gonna see which products we're gonna be diving into. First up, we're gonna go into foundation. Let's see which foundation we are picking. Hopefully it's a good one. Please, 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 please. Ooh, ooh, I see Fenty. I see Fenty. Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation. This is a really good foundation. All right. Ooh, we get to pick a primer. Oh, this is a big one. What's this? Marc Jacobs Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. I've never used this primer before. It came in the set and I've never touched it, so that should be interesting. What else do we have? Let's pick out a setting spray. Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I love this stuff. It's my favorite. Powder. You have to pick a powder. It's a lot of products. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh. I got a wild card. Your choice, sis. Okay. Up is bronzer. We gotta pick our own bronzer. Well, not pick our own, but we gotta pick from the bronzers. This is such a pretty bronzer. I love it. We have to pick out a concealer. Let's see. Hopefully it's a really good one. I mean, this one's really good. I don't know if it's going to be okay with the Fenty foundation, but I mean, we'll see. That's why we're doing this video. Next up is highlighter. Which one we're going to be using? Okay. Eyeshadows. We're going to go into eyeshadows and pick which one we're going to use. I'm just gonna, I mean, it's a good palette. It's just there's not a lot to choose from with it because it's so small. Okay, So since we did eyeshadow, we have to pick out an eye look. So we gotta choose what eye look we're going to be doing with the eyeshadow. Hopefully it's my choice. Please, 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 please. I have to do a graphic look. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's gonna be a little challenging because there's not much with that palette, but we're gonna make it work. We're going to make it work. All right. Last but not least, we have to pick our lips. Hopefully it's nothing crazy or else I will cry. Lips, lips, lips. Oh, thank God. Your choice, sis. Hey, okay, perfect. All right, it's not bad. It's just the eyes are going to be a little tricky and the primer I'm not too sure about. So I'm gonna grab all the products and I'll be right back so we can start off our look. All right, so we're gonna start off with the eyes. This is the palette that we are using today, the L'Oreal Le Petite palette. It's really pretty. I've used this before and it's super pigmented. Love the colors. I'm gonna start off with this like grayish brown look right here. I'm gonna use it as a transition shade and just see what we can do for now. So like I said in the beginning, I'm not going to be buying any more makeup, which is unfortunate because ColourPop came out with a Wild Child collection and it's so beautiful. It's like rich chocolate colors. The bronzer looks really pretty and just it's gorgeous, and I can't buy it because I promised myself I wasn't going to. Rare Beauty came out with new blushes and lip products and like liquid eyeshadows, and once again I can't buy it, which is really sad. But I really just want to save up my money and I really do want to put all the products that I already own to proper use because I buy so much that I find different ones that I like and I stick with what I know. So newer eyeshadows that I have, they've been swatched but they've never been used, or I use it like maybe once, love it, and just never use it again. And I also don't wear makeup that often either. I work as a early childhood educator. If you didn't know, I work with kids, so I mean I don't need to be wearing a full face of makeup when I'm going to work. So I mean there's that. And it's also really costly just to keep up with the new makeup products that come out because there's literally new things coming out every week. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy what I have and play with what I already own and just practice my skills and, you know, level up a little bit. I think I'm gonna do like a what's it called, like a big haul during like the VIB sale and just stock up on products that I actually do want to try, maybe like I said during the VIB sale or like in June or something, just so it's like halfway. I'm also trying to spend less on clothing as well, but I can't help it. I love shopping, I love buying clothes, and I love getting new things and trying out new like clothing trends, especially with clothes. I love buying clothes. I love shopping in general. It's like my favorite thing to do. Online shopping is the best type of shopping ever. I don't know if I want to go into this brown color shade. I kind of want to use the blue and just start creating that line. So I think what I'm going to do is take this blue. It is a nice metallic shimmery blue. And I'm going to use that on a very pointy brush. Can we focus on the brush, please? Yeah, we're gonna use it on a nice pointed detailed brush like that. And we're gonna start making that line. I think I'm just gonna go into the inner corner and towards the center, but I'm not gonna complete it all the way out. Hopefully this looks good. I haven't done graphic liner really with a shadow like this, so hopefully this works out. Bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm gonna take it on the upper lash line, like where we would do eyeliner, but I'm gonna stop it like right here, or maybe like here. I don't know, we'll see. That actually looks really cute. That's not bad. What do you think? That doesn't look too bad. Not bad. I might do a wing. Should we do a wing? I think I'm gonna do a wing. Come on. Oh, that looks so cute. I like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye, put on some lashes, and then we can get into our base products. So here's the eye look. I really like how it turned out. I have to change my shirt so we can get into the vibe of the look. So moving into the primer that we're gonna be using, the Marc Jacobs Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. I think it's in 30 Invisible. But yeah, I got this in a set with mini highlighters. Never tried this out before, so we'll see how this works. Has a little hint of coconut scent to it, but it's not overpowering, which I like. I don't like anything too strong on my face. I don't know if this is gonna work for like filling in the pores or what it's going to do. What is this? I don't even know what the claims are for this. Let's look it up. Okay, so according to this, it is a skin smoothing, makeup extending primer infused with 5 types of coconut to nourish and hydrate the complexion. Brings a refreshing feel of coconut to your face, extends makeup wear, hydrating. So basically it's just going to hydrate your skin. It's not going to blur your pores. Actually, I feel like it kind of did blur up my pores a little bit, but it doesn't feel greasy or oily, so I'm not mad. I'm going to be going in with the Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation from Fenty. This one is in the shade 385. I think this is my shade. I have 370, but I think that's going to be way too light. Looking hella hydrated with the primer and the foundation here, but we're gonna go into concealer. We have the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This one is in the shade Almond 410. Hopefully this looks good over top this foundation. I've never tried this combination before, but there's a first for everything. So I'm just gonna place that. I'm just gonna use that much, I think. I don't need too much. I think it's really good to try out different complexion combinations so you know what products work with what, because you'd be surprised which products look bomb AF together, which ones last all day, which ones cake up under your skin. So especially with primers, you never really know. Or like concealers and different foundations, you'd be surprised. I don't like how this concealer looks. It's pulling gray. I don't know why. It's pulling gray on camera and off camera, and I'm not liking it. So thankfully we get to pick out our powders. So I'll be right back with a powder that will hopefully help give this some color, because I don't know why it's looking gray. I don't like it. I'm just gonna use the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch powder. This one is in the color Honey, and hopefully we can brighten up the under eyes with this bad boy, because I don't like what this is looking. I think that's better. Yeah, do you see the difference between my under eyes and like my chin and forehead area? I think that's a lot better. Smells so good. I haven't used this powder in forever. Great, that looks a lot better. It set down the shine as well, and we're not gray. We don't look like Casper the Ghost. And I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in the shade Medium Deep. Just going to take it on a big old fluffy brush. This is the Morphe E41. For bronzer, we picked out the e.l.f. Bite Size Face Duo Palette. I have two here. I have pomegranate, and this one is in coconut. So I'm going to go in with the coconut palette to bronze, and then after that I'm going to go in with the pomegranate to use as a blush. I also don't think I used this either. I might have used it maybe one time, but it's so pretty. Love bronzers that have a red undertone to it, and this is giving me that red undertone, so love it. It's very pigmented as well, so a little bit goes a long way. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the under eyes, going back with that Le Petit palette, and I'm gonna take that same gray brown tone shade, this one here, and run that under the lash line. Next, I'm going to take a mini angled brush and I'm going to go into this dark chocolatey shade at the bottom here, and I'm also going to run that really close to the bottom lash line. So next I'm going to use this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eyeliner pencil. This one is in the shade Chaos. It's this really nice like blue color. I'm just going to pop that into my waterline real quick. Okay, for highlight we picked out the e.l.f. Glow Gleam Beam palette. It's such a beautiful highlighting palette. You got your metallic shades here and you got your regular shimmer highlighters there. These ones are super blinding, super metallic. We got this really pretty shimmer shade that I'm going to be using in the inner corner later, but to highlight for right now, I'm just going to mix these two colors together. Just a couple more things and we're almost done. Because we got to choose our own lips today, I'm going to go in with the NARS Liquid Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Spin Me. I love these lip pigments. Amazing. They last all day. They're super comfortable on the lips. They don't quite move. So I'm just going to use this to line my lips and fill them in as well. And last but not least, our setting spray, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray. I love this setting spray. I loved it for years. So guys, this is the completed look. I absolutely love how this turned out. The lip definitely put it together. I'm super happy we were able to choose what kind of lip we were going to do because this one definitely put it all together. I love the blue. Blue is my favorite color, so I'm really happy that this turned out. The graphic liner looks hella bomb if I do say so myself. I did a bomb-ass job. You know what? I feel like the under eyes still look kind of gray. Like if you look super close, it does look kind of gray, but it's not caking up. It's not breaking up. I feel like the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer works really well with this foundation. So far so good. Hopefully I don't break out with the coconut primer because my skin doesn't tend to do well with coconut scented products, but hopefully we're good to go. We're in the clear. But yeah, these two products together work really well. I'm happy. This whole look is amazing. The lashes, I'll leave all the details for all the other products down below in the description. If you've watched up till this point, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, supporting me, and subscribing to my channel. You have made it to the giveaway. Yes, we are gonna have a giveaway finally. I know it's taken me forever to do this, but here we go. I'm going to be giving away a ABH and Jackie Aina collab eyeshadow palette. Super beautiful palette. Love the colors. With this eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be giving away a Ciate mini brush set, so you guys can enjoy that. In order to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is go down into the comments, leave me your favorite snack because I love snacks, and leave me your IG or email so I will be able to contact you if you are the winner. I will leave like a date for how long this giveaway will last. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the challenge. I'm going to continue to do this because it's really fun, very challenging for me personally because I'm not like a makeup artist or anything. I'm not professional, so it's gonna be really fun. I hope you continue watching and, you know, taking part with me. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe for beauty and fashion content, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.